Robert's ShedLog from Monday the 15th of June 2020. Hello, I'm Robert and welcome to my shed on a Monday. And I'm in separate. And it doesn't feel right because that's because I missed yesterday's video because I was doing 8 different things and I'm back to work and I'm really going to show you. So I want to show you my work in progress. I've got another work in progress to show you later in the week, but right now I want to show you this one. This is a sharpening station. A sharpening station is the place you go to sharpen tools. This one's made up of bits of scrap wood I had lying around. So I looked at all sorts of different ways to do these corners, and frankly, it didn't seem like it was too much hassle to glue them together using half-light joinery. Nice and easy. These two rails, I decided in the end I was going to just use housing joints, but because they're so low down in the wood, I don't want to cut up 3/4 piece of wood. So instead I used mortise and stones, which is surprisingly fast when you've only got that much to do and lines or going too deep. Yeah, I was quite happy with that. What else do I need to tell you about? Yeah, it's all scrap wood. This bit and this bit were the vice sheet that I cut by mistake. Pretty much have these. This piece, and these two legs are all offcuts from the end of the plank that the vice sheets came off of. I've used all that plank now, and I need a few more binding plank, which would be nice. So, let's see how this works. These are all glued. I put sawdust into the glue in order to try and make it look nicer when they were polished up. That was a mistake. I should have. Well, it was a mistake because I mixed too much sawdust into the glue. It made it too thick and it wouldn't squeeze out properly. Also, I couldn't clamp this. There's no way of clamping this piece of wood together. I should have wrapped a piece of string around and tied it up tight, but I didn't think of it. I was able to put a clamp across here and a couple of other places, but basically I would have liked it to be a lot tighter in place. In terms of joints, that meant I had to do a lot of planing. I've not finished planing yet, there's still quite a few rough edges on here. I may in fact break out the detail sander and just sand the whole thing. I'm then going to use indoor-outdoor varnish. Sorry, indoor-outdoor sealant. That's not a recommendation, it's what I have lying around. I'm then going to cover it in outdoor varnish, because I have outdoor varnish with one seal. Again, no one pays me to recommend anything, I'm just telling you what I'm using. Outdoor varnish, and that's left over from my bathroom. So yeah, there we go. So how do I make this into a sharpening station? Well, a sharpening station, you need sharpening stones and you need water. And I figured the best solution for that was a sink. Because a sink, you have a sink with a draining board. The draining board area you put your sharpening stones on, you can use them in situ and they'll just drain away. Wash them down and just drain away. And dry off where they are, which is really important. Particularly if you're using diamond stones, you need to keep them very clean and very dry because they're made of metal and they'll rot rust. Wet stones, less a problem, still need to wash them down. Oil stones, you probably don't want to wash them, but you want to sink for any oil spills. So this is my sink. Now it's an old paint tray, literally. I spent an evening peeling off paint by my fingernails, by nail polish remover, and by multi-surface cleaner. And that worked reasonably well. As you can see, I've used my hole saw to cut a hole, and I've into that hole inserted the cheapest waste I could find. Simple plug hole. I didn't realise they were made with these. You see, these bits on top, or on your screen, the bottom of the bottom of the waist, top of the waist, has a smooth bit that you can't screw into, and has these holes in it. And those holes are there to take the waste away from the waste water away from the overflow. With anything going down the overflow falls into the drain. Unfortunately, I do mean I can't screw this nut hard up against this washer, or I'm not going to be able to make it do its seal. I'm experimenting with taking a couple of pieces of wood and using those to bridge the gap. Don't know if that's going to work. We will need sealing. The same wood treatment as this gets. And hopefully as long as it all stays watertight, that will be okay. I also want to put mastic over the holes so that they don't get wet. Even varnish glue is going to rot eventually. I love the fact that this has a built-in draining board with a perfect size. Let me show you. This is the nice little mat that came with my sharpening stone. It's the same size as the sharpening stone. It just sits beautifully on one half of that, so I can have a 300 grit, 220 grit, I think, 1000 grit, and do my primary and secondary values just on 2 stones. Job done. And I can always clear them off if I want, so anything else out, of course. So that will sit on here beautifully. I'll seal it around here. Yeah, I'm a little worried now I've done it, I've got all those edges on top. I think again I would have used hidden joints. Just because with hidden joints I have less chance of water getting in. But I think it's probably overkill, to be honest. Let's see, I've also got this tap. I'm not sure what happened to watching in America, this faucet. This is the tap, then it turns the water on and off. This is the faucet, of course, where the water comes out of the water system. So it is a faucet, it is a tap, it is both of these things. It's a mixer tap, all taps are these days, but that's fine. I can just put it into the cold. Maybe cold or cold. I could put a second supply. I could put maybe cold lemonade. Anyway, this is going on roughly here. I think I might put it in here on the back corner, out the way. Maybe not through the joint. I'm also going to get a replacement for this aerator. I'm going to put an extension or a hose aerator on it. That's the plan. We've ordered that today. It should be here by next week. That's really it for this. Oh, yes, there's this to show you as well. This is a 25 litre water container that had a washing up liquid in it. I bought years ago. I think about 10 years to get through washing up liquid. But I've done it. So now I've got this left over. And because I had washing up liquid in it, it just needs rinsing out. There's no more or less clean than anything else to clean this. But this will quite happily make I can open it up, fill it with water in the house, carry it from here, plumb it in. I don't quite know how I'm going to plumb it in yet, but there's several different options. And I can put it up on a shelf on the wall, and that will gravity feed into this tap. Like gravity will, if you have a loop, and what's either above the bottom loop, the whole thing will fill it with water. Okay, the water will find its own level. Water in the sink, and then through the drain into a bucket holder. Not sure about pipe work from the drain yet. That's a can, put the drain into a waste pipe. I don't need a trap because it's going to be off grid. So I take the bucket of water out and throw it in the appropriate receptacle every night. Yes, that's where we are with this. I've got to finish sanding it down and varnish it over the next few days. So sanding it, I've only planed it so far. I might see what more I can do with the plane, but for not going to be much more, not really that much more hope for it. I need to drill a few holes in, I need to sand it down properly. I probably don't even do the sand light because I just want it all nice and uniform shape wise. I mean, it's not going to look the same colour because that's dark wood and that's light wood, but it's going to look nice. Actually, sitting in the corner of my workshop is going to be right next to my workbench. Basically, if I turn it my bike, it will just turn around and sharpen my tools. It should be really, really much better than what I'm doing at the moment, which is going upstairs to the bathroom inside my house. Carrying chisels with me and sharpening them, carving back out of them. Which is disincentive to sharpen. Really. Keep the tool sharp, folks. Otherwise, you do yourself an injury. Or you'll just have a lousy time using them. Later this week, I'm going to do another extra video on my pegboard tool store. Tune me down. Now, what I've got for you. Robert ShedLog for Monday, the 15th of June 2020. Hello, I'm Robert. I'm out of focus. And welcome to my shed on a Monday. I'm wearing separates. What's going on? This is not right. I think I'm just... Yeah, let's try again.